Hello viewers, welcome to my channel. I am your host Rahul Oman here. In this tutorial, you will learn about how to test a circuit using breadboard. So let's start with the easy one. The circuit you are seeing is a rectifier circuit which drives a 3 volt half watt LED. The components and equipments are a breadboard, diode, a 68 ohm resistor, 470 microfarad electrolytic capacitor, half watt 3 volt LED, and a power supply 9 volt. Let's start. First of all, we have to connect the supply. As you have seen in my previous video, supply should be connected in the horizontal power rails. Watch my previous video on breadboard to understand the principles of breadboard or working of breadboard. So according to the circuit, now we have to connect a resistor from positive rail and transfer it to any vertical rail. Remember the polarity of diode and LED or and capacitor also. Otherwise connection will be wrong. Capacitor to here. Here capacitor is used because it filters AC and converts it to the DC. Switching on the power supply. See, we have, and this is how any circuit can be tested. If you are curious about how to test a complex one circuit on breadboard, please comment and I will show you my best. Thank you for watching the video. Hope you all like it. Please subscribe, share and like. Rahul Oman here, signing off.